Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to buy your Hyperliquid tokens. Now, for this one, open up your Google. On the search bar, type in here Hyperliquid token, like so. So there's going to be a lot of websites here, right? As you can see right there, there's going to be a lot. The one you're looking for should be this one. The one with the XYZ on the URL. And the one you're seeing should be like this. Again, that would be hyperliquid.xyz or XYZ, and this is how it should look like. Now, once you're in here, you're going to have to sign up. Use your dummy Google account just to test the waters, and it will send you a one-time PIN. Enter that one, and you'll be good to go. Now, once you've set up your account here, you're going to have your balances on the lower left section, and as you can see, there's no balance yet. However, if you have a balance right now, you can just click on the contract here, send and transfer. One click at a time, you can now buy tokens. However, where can you buy if you don't have balance yet? So you click deposit right here, and it will ask you for how much do you want to send via Bitcoin, via Ethereum, and so on and so forth. Click on done, and you'll be good to go. Moving forward, you can now deposit and buy tokens just by on this lower section.